Hello, friends. After a long gap, I'm meeting you all. Presently, we are all in this coronavirus pandemic, so we are locked down in our homes. So, in this lockdown period, we can't meet face to face, so we can have virtual classrooms like this. So, many students have posed some questions to my WhatsApp. The most important questions which triggered my mind was, so how best we can make ourselves to memorize our things properly. So we do study what's the best method we can follow to remember the things that we study. Dear students, so it's very important. For that purpose, I am making this video. Okay, friends. Today I have come out with some 8 most important techniques that you can follow these things, and you will come to know the better way of understanding the things in a proper manner. So I have some techniques of following 8 R's. That means capital R. So let us go for 8 R techniques or methods that we need to follow to understand the concept properly. So the first R stands for right time and place. Whenever you go for studying, you must make some specific timing in a 24 hours of time. That means maybe in the morning hours, maybe in the evening hours. So you need to have specific time for that. At the same time, choose a specific place for your study. Maybe in your room, somewhere else, you must have minimum basic facilities like a table and a chair as such. A second R stands for read for 30 to 40 minutes. Dear friends, you need to study a concept minimum nearly about 30 to 40 minutes. That's what continuously you have to make a study for 30 to 40 minutes. And next, third R stands for write. So whatever you study for 30 to 40 minutes, you need to make out the summary of this 30 to 40 minute study in your own words, and you'll come to know what are all the problems you face when you're studying, when you're writing the summary for the study that you made. And my dear friends, the fourth R stands for relax. After doing this activity, you relax for 4 to 5 minutes. You walk this way and walk that way, and do take a deep breath. That is very, very important. And dear friends, next fifth R stands for recall. That means when you study for about all those things 30 to 40 minutes, you recall the concept. So what all you can remember, what all you have forgotten, that is most important. And next is that sixth R stands for rehearsal. In rehearsal is the thing wherein you make a specific timing for the writing the answers for particular questions. You put a questions for yourself. It may be 10 marks questions, it may be 6 marks questions, or it may be answer of 5 marks as such. So keep some specific time for that and write the answers and start evaluating the answers of your own. Then only you will come to know about the various problems that you would have been faced while answering the questions. That is most important. So that's what you need to do it. And the next seventh R stands for repeat. So whatever the things you found it difficult to remember, you just reread it and repeat all these things that are whatever I said. So you need to repeat constantly. By repeating these things, you can enhance the memory power of your concepts. And last 8 stands for, my dear friends, it stands for regular food and sleep. We all know that for a healthy life, we know that we need to take a good food. That means nutritious food. All the way to do all those more important activities in our life, we need to have a sound mind in a sound body. So like that, we need to take nutritious food which is easily digestible, and that you need to take minimum 6 hours of sound sleep. So that's most important. So dear friends, if you follow all those 8 or techniques, definitely I will give you surety within few days of time you will come to know about the impact of all these 8 R's, and definitely you can enhance your memory power and you can do well in the forthcoming examinations and you can score better marks. So this is what the idea of today's video. So in the next video I will come out with some other concepts. So my dear friends, till then, take care and stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.